Imagine this. Two friends turn 18 on the same day. One starts investing using a super simple rule. The other says, "I'll start later. I'm broke anyway." Fast forward 10 years. One of them has thousands invested, barely feels stressed about money, and has options. The other is wondering where all their paychecks disappeared. Here's the crazy part. The first friend didn't earn more money. They just followed one simple formula. It's called the 8-4-3 investing rule. And if you're a teen or in your early 20s, this rule can literally change your financial future before most people even wake up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the 8-4-3 rule is, how to use it even if you have a part-time job, and how to start building wealth way faster than your friends. Let's get into it.
Picture this. You just got paid from your part-time job. Maybe it's $200 from a weekend shift. You open your banking app, your brain goes, new shoes? Food delivery? Save some? Invest? I'll do that later. And later never comes. Most people don't fail at investing because they're dumb. They fail because they don't have a system. Money without a plan disappears every time. It's like trying to get fit with no workout plan. You just wander around the gym and hope something happens. So here's the tension. What if there was a simple split you could use every time money hits your account? No spreadsheets, no complicated math, no finance degree required. That's where 8-4-3 comes in. The 8. Invest 8% no matter what. The first number is 8. Whenever you earn money, invest 8% automatically. Not when you feel ready, not when you have extra. Always. Let's say you make $300 this month from a job or side hustle. 8% of that is $24. That's it. Most people think investing means you need hundreds. You don't. Consistency beats size. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Small XP gains every day eventually turn you into a high-level character. Next time you get paid, calculate 8% immediately and move it into an investment account the same day. Treat it like a bill you owe your future self. The 4. Grow your money in 4 core buckets. The second number is 4. Your investments should go into 4 simple categories over time. Broad stock market funds, own tiny pieces of big companies. Individual companies you believe in, skills or education that increase your income, a small future opportunity fund, cash ready to invest when something smart shows up. Why 4? Because putting everything in one place is risky, and spreading it too thin is confusing. Let's make it real. You love tech, you believe in AI and gaming. Cool. You can own a broad market fund for stability, then maybe a small piece in a company you understand, and you invest in yourself, maybe learning coding or editing. That's still investing. Skills are investments too. If you're just starting, begin with one broad market investment. Add the others slowly as you learn. The 3. Think in 3-year minimum blocks. Here's where most teens mess up. They invest and then check the app every 12 minutes. Market goes down 2%, panic, sell. That's how you lose. The 3 in 8-4-3 means this. Only invest money you can leave alone for at least 3 years. 3 years forces patience. Why? Because short-term movement is random, but over longer stretches, growth becomes more likely. Think of it like planting a tree. If you dig it up every week to check the roots, it's not going to grow. Before investing, ask, will I need this money in the next 3 years? If yes, don't invest it. If no, let it sit. The hidden power. Time multiplies everything. Here's the twist most people miss. The real magic isn't the 8%. It's starting early. If you start at 18, your money has way more time to grow than someone starting at 30.
Time is the ultimate cheat code. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow massively because your returns start earning returns. It's like your money hiring employees, and those employees hire employees, and suddenly you've built a money army.
Let's clear up some traps. Mistake number 1, I'll invest when I make more. If you can't manage $200, you won't magically manage $2,000. Habits scale. Mistake number 2, trying to get rich in a week. If someone promises you fast, guaranteed money, run. Real wealth is boring, and boring works. Mistake number 3, checking your investments daily. That's like stepping on a scale every hour at the gym. Mistake number 4, investing money you'll need next month. That creates stress. Stress leads to bad decisions. We're not gambling, we're building. Here's your simple starter plan. Open a beginner-friendly investment account. Do basic research and choose one designed for new investors. Set the 8% rule immediately. Every paycheck, no exceptions. Start with one broad market investment. Keep it simple, don't overcomplicate. Leave it alone for 3 years. Stop checking daily. Invest in one skill this year, something that increases your income power. Editing, coding, sales, design, anything useful. Track progress once per month only. That's it, not every day. If you did just this for the next 5 years, you'd be ahead of most adults. Not because you're smarter, because you started earlier.
The 8-4-3 rule is simple. Invest 8%, spread across 4 smart areas, think in 3-year blocks. Wealth isn't about being lucky, it's about being consistent before everyone else. Future you is watching, and future you is either going to say, "Thank you for starting early," or "Why didn't you?" If this made sense, start your 8% this week, not next month. And if you've got a friend who just got their first paycheck, send this to them. Let's build smart money habits early and make wealth normal for our generation.